PC. Board smoking volcanoes. I mean, pipes here. Broke it in. Maiden voyage. I ran C&D's Awakened Elder. Awakened Elder. Figured that was pretty fitting for a volcano. You're always hearing about how monsters come from the depths of the volcano. Or maybe dragons on Cobbett of the Shire or something. Process. Yeah, I know, I'm off my rocker some days, but it's okay. Oh boy. Then let the fire go out. Pretty sure I'm going to take and open the airway right here just a little bit. It's a 9mm. Got plenty up here. But every once in a while I get this little whistle down there like I stepped on a mouse. First volcano shape that I've ever owned. Not bad. Not bad at all. Today, in the volcano freehand, we have Peter Stokeby's proper English. And she's proper. Sounded more Scottish than it did English. Forgive me, gentlemen. Anyway, final item from the order of tobaccopipes.com. Bearded, start making the music. He does that striptease music better, doesn't it? Whatever. Look at the OTC video, he was doing it. He calls them sexy reveals. By chance, if any of you haven't been to the Bearded Tamper's website or don't know about his channel, go on over there. Boy's got some talented hands when it comes to woodworking. We're going to wish it sit there. Alright, here we go. Can't talk with a volcano in my mouth. The Molina. Number 109. Thought it had the number on it, but I guess I was wrong. So 109. And I got it. It's unfinished. Because I've really been wanting to try it unfinished. As the Morgan Bones poker. So I really like that pipe a lot. Enough that I've thought about buying a second one just to keep them around because I hate putting that one down. Anyway, unfinished. That thick wall right there caught my attention. Caught my attention because before I figured out how to slow down my cadence, I heated them up and I made them where they're hard to hang on to. I'm looking forward to this one. I haven't broke it in yet. I haven't tried it. It's a 9mm also. The actual hole size on that one all the way through is nice. I doubt I have to open that up at all. But I haven't broken it in because I wanted you guys to see it first. The volcano, I think I broke in before I talked to you. Sometimes I just can't hold back. Maybe not. Anyway, YTPC, it's Saturday. Pretty hot here. We got dancing clouds, but none of them are put together, so the sun's gonna do its thing today. Tomorrow will be grass cutting day as normal. Bought a brand new weed knife, heavy duty. Knocked down some thick weeds. I got some areas on the property where I hadn't got to with the weed eater, and now they're too big for the weed eater. Still haven't found a riding lawnmower. Almost halfway through the mowing season. I may not do it this year. They just finish it the way it is. Supposedly it's healthier for me pushing one than riding one. I don't know. Me and Chris, ALS Piper, was talking a little bit about that. He walks all the time. Kind of had him a little episode the other day. Let him know that I've had those too, where your heart starts fluttering a little bit and you start getting sweaty. My doctors seem to think that it's not so much a blockage or damage, it's more like the firing on your heart gets confused. So one valve kind of stutters and flutters. I said, well, that's fitting. Damn Johnny Popper, I'll be running on 2 cylinders, sound like a damn tractor. Either that or I'll just fall out and he'll be done. We need to go fishing. Like be sitting on a lake bank in the shade somewhere, just staring at the water going by, really. Middle of the day like today, hot as it is, probably wouldn't be catching anything. Just be staring at the water. Much rain as we've had right now. All the lakes are up. I crossed the Beaver Lake the other day on the bridge. Looked down where the White River was running in. There's so many logs and brush and stuff boiling down through there. It wouldn't be safe to even try to put a boat out there. YTPC, it seems that your old buddy Ford don't have a whole lot to say today and is just rambling. I'm gonna get off here. Y'all be safe. Watch a lot of videos. Smoke a pipe. Be with the family. Enjoy your weekend. Old Ford signing out.